Hey, hello, beautifuls. So, today we are going to talk about all the art collections or art making collections I have. So, this video would be entirely in English, and so to reach greater number of audience. But अगर आप request करेंगे तो मैं सेम वीडियो हिंदी में भी बना दूंगी. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ आर्टिस्टिक यू कैन से थिंग्स विथ मी जो मेरे आर्ट्स में काम आता है. एंड आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल पेंटर. मैं ये पहले बता दूँ, आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल पेंटर. आई जस्ट like painting and sketching, drawing in many things, and I do a lot of stuff. Like, I recently uploaded a lot of videos on the total arts which I make. Like, this is one of these examples. Like, I practice a lot of things on daily basis. Like this, I really like this lavender finish which had this is one of my favorites. And like this I practice a lot, and I'm getting better and better day by day, I can say. Okay, so if you see my latest creation, I could show you. This is one of the things which I made only with one color and an ink pen. That's it, nothing more than that. So this I liked very much. Then this, totally it is 100% made out of stamps, only and only stamps. I did not use anything except stamps. Okay, then yes, this is also one of my favorites, but I think it is empty. It is, you can say, it's totally empty, I think. But yes, I like this also. This one I like better than this. Okay, and moving forward, yes, this is an incomplete one. I wanted to make a cherry blossom out of it, but this is incomplete, yet to be completed. And this I like. This is my personal favorite. So I'm going to, you can say, fill this entire scrapbook. So this is my works. As you can see, I'm not a professional artist. This is something I do out of a hobby. Okay, so I'm just going to share you what are the collections I have. And to be an artist, or to do this at least for a hobby purpose, you don't need, you can say, formal training. You, for this, you can say basic things as your what can we say, as a hobby. You can train yourself by using watching various Unacademy videos. Cut this, by watching various YouTube videos, etc. So I'm just going to share how much, what I have and what I brought recently. So my first thing is the poster collection, the poster colors collection. It is a pack of 6, but the thing is, ये पूरे dry out हो चुके हैं. These are all dried out, so I need to revive those again. It is totally dried out, as you can see. There is nothing here. So I saw certain YouTube videos and I want to revive these. Let's see what happens. So these are all, you can say, brought a long time ago. Like, I can say it is almost like 5 years old. Fine. So this is the first one. I used it a lot. The second one is watercolor tubes. This is by Camlin, and I used it. Some of them have dried out and some of them are still working, but yes, I used it to create various, you can say, content. And some of the paintings which I showed you, I used this particular watercolor tubes so that I can make those images. Okay, after this, there are certain things which I also use. These are you can say surgical tapes, or you can also call it as invisible tape or scotch tape, certain time it is called. So this particular roll is of 65 rupees, but if you use this kind of roll, it is very cheaper. It is only for 25 rupees, and it works almost the same, but you have to make sure that you don't put it on a paint. Okay, you just put it on a plain surface. Then if you have a bit experience with this particular tape, it will be very easy for you to use and reduce your cost, because this is 65 rupees and very less, and this is for 25 rupees which I bought. So this I used a lot. See, only less is left, and this is I brought recently. Apart from that, this is also one of the expensive ones. Yes, this is 30 rupees per piece, and it has good amount. Yes, this is also nice one. Now after that, these are the new things which I did not use yet. This is the Camel watercolor tubes. It was a gift from my friend, and till today I did not use it. I am planning to use it very soon. The colors are very vibrant, dark, you can say glossy, I could say. So let me use this, and then I could give you a review that how well it is. It is of 125 rupees, the whole pack of all these colors. See, it is 125 rupees, Indian rupees I'm talking about. And yes, it comes in 14 shades. These are not 12 colors, these are 14 colors, if you can count it here. These are 14 colors. Okay, so for 14 colors 125 is a very good deal. So this you can buy. I have a lot of brushes which I have purchased in last many years. These are all the brushes which I have, and there is a pencil in between. Yes, some of my favorite brushes are this Camlin one. It works as nice, and it is of pony hair, as you can see. It works really nice. And try to clean your brushes as much as possible, or as you can say better as possible. And these are synthetic brushes. This also works fine. And I guess that's it. I have fine brushes. I love fine brushes because I have to work a lot of with them. So these are all the brushes which I have. As you can see, I think it is around 15 to 20, around 15 to 20. Okay, now these are the two new things which I bought into my collection. The first is brush pen. Okay, so actually it is a pen, but we include water in it. As you can see, there is a water content here. There's water inside it. And if I can show you, if I squeeze out, there will be water. See, there is just note written here. Okay, and this is a bit you can say wet. The brush is wet. Now see, there's water here. I think the ink doesn't fade, that's why it's happening. If there is a ink pen I could use here, I could show you. So this is the ink pen which I used just now, and see how it fades. So this is one of the good tool, very awesome tool. And the biggest thing is you can also use it as a dripper, or as a, what do we say, yes. And this is one of the big good things about it. So you can use it as a dripper also, to use certain kinds of waters. Okay, and this, so this is nice purchase. I bought it for 150 rupees and I lost the cap. I need to find the cap. The same thing, this is one of the things. This can be used as hand sanitizer also, but I did not put a hand sanitizer in it. There is water, so you can spray if you want to spray the whole paper with water. This is very handy tool. Why is it not working? Yes, as you can see, you can spray the whole paper. Okay, so if you want to cover the whole canvas with water, you can use this tool. This is very effective. Okay, now so these were the something latest which I bought into my collection, and I'm actually enjoying both of them. And I have to find the cap of this pen. Apart from that, I have n number of pencils, right? All the pencil colors and calligraphy set, calligraphy pens. These are all the pencil colors I have. Apart from this, I also have certain type of sketch pens. A lot of sketch pens I have actually. I'll just show it to you once again. So this is a box which I use to store only my sketch pens. So these are all the sketch pens I have. This is the smallest one. Okay, and then I have this with twin tip. So here is the small one, and this side is the big one. So this was one of the nice one. In this I have a different variation. This was very cheap. I think this was for 130 rupees, and it has a brush stroke and it works really fine. But you cannot try watercolors with it because it does not give that effect. But to make notes or just to make some strokes, this is very nice. I hope you'll be able to see this. Wait. Yes. So it has a very fine tip at the end. So this is also the same in this variation, but this comes in a sketch pen kind of thing. So you have a broad tip and a, you can say, thin tip or small tip of the same color. So you can use it accordingly. Then we have the normal sketch pens of various. So I have all these sketch pens available. Apart from these, I have certain stamps. Now what are stamps? Stamps are these are the stamp pads which I have, and I made a different video for this. And for these I have various kinds of stamps. I'll just show you the stamps, just one second. So this is a company which I work for, an academy. I teach there. And yes, this is my learning to learn stamp. I have a YouTube channel, one more, named Learning to Learn, and it is written here Aditi Vinod Arya and Learning to Learn. So if I have like good bright colors, something like green, blue, purple, red, yellow, I'll use yellow to show you this. So this is a stamp pad. Okay, not bad, and I can use it on any surface. White surface पे शायद उतना ना दिखे, but still I could show you here. So yes, on white it does not look that much, but yes. So this is my personalized stamp which I made. Actually I brought it customizedly. And these are the other kinds of stamps which I have. This is related to book. This says sending you sunshine. This is actually a sun small. This is thinking of you. This is an arrow. This is a small bird. These are all of silicone, so it's these are of very good quality. And this one is unique. This one is just thinking. If you think na, so that is the image or diagram of it. So yes, these are something very very unique or new, I can say, which I have. And apart from this, I also have this kind of stamp. It actually gives you a design. Then this one, this is very beautiful. It gives you musical notes. Then I also have certain stamps called for you. I brought it from a local shop. Thank you. And also one more, my friend. So these are all the art collections I have. I do have certain paper clips and a lot of things I have, but these are mostly I use for my coloring techniques and all. And I have a lot of stamps. I have like 14 set of stamps, ink pad. Okay, so yes, so this was all my collection, which I use mostly for my coloring and painting purpose. I hope this helps you to find out your way of finding the exact amount or the exact way of painting. You might be more comfortable with pencils or sketch pens or watercolors, whatever it is, poster colors. Just try various options and then decide what you want. So these are all the collections which I have. I might not have some very expensive things. I have the basic things. So with the basic things also you can start. If you want to start with watercolors, you can actually get like this water tube and max to max 3 brushes of different sizes. It would do the work for the starters purpose. Or else this would totally cost you, this is 125 rupees, and if we consider 15 rupees each, so it is around 150 170 rupees. Okay, but if you go for poster colors is more cheaper. You can get this box for 50 or 70 rupees. The price is not mentioned here, but yes, you can get this box for around 50 to 70 rupees. And this, so with rupees 100 also you can start your artworks which you want to start, and then you can move forward. Okay, bye everybody, take good care of yourselves. Thank you.